How to switch to back camera in Google Meet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can switch to back camera in Google Meet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Google Meet. After you open up your Google Meet, you can then create a link. I have already created a link, so yeah, you can do that as well. Tap on this new button on the bottom right. Let me do that here. Tap on this new button on the bottom right and then tap on create link. So you can create a link and then you can share a link. And after you create a link, it should appear right here. So all you have to do is tap on the link that you created and that should open up this section. Now you can simply join this video call. So tap on join. After you've joined the Google Meet, what you can then do is you can look over to the top right corner where you will see a speaker option and a camera option. So you will see the rotate camera option. All you have to do to rotate your back camera is tap on it and your back camera will be enabled. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye and take care.